Welcome everyone to another episode of Regular Guy Barbecue, brought to you by something totally different that we're not normally going to do. It's winter, it's cold, it sucks, and I don't want to stand outside for 12 hours cooking meats. So instead today we're doing something a little different. This is another one of the things that we do for fun, make a couple of dollars off of it, but we don't get rich doing it. Today we are at this place, but you can't see the sign because it's too damn tall. We're at a storage auction. We don't get these very often in our area, so we're having the opportunity today. We're taking advantage of it. So, something a little different for you to see. Part of our lives that we do. It's a little different. It's going to be fun. Stay tuned. We're going to go in and get our numbers and wait for the auction to start.
So if you get a unit here today, you've got 3 days to get it out. If you need more time, you've got to talk to Amy. I think, like she said, she'll probably give you a little bit more time than that, up to a week or two, whatever it may be, so to get things hauled out of here. So here we go. And so to get $100 for it, $75 for it, $75 for it, give $50. If $50, you're gonna go 50, you're gonna go 50, 10, 20, 10 on somebody get 10 on somebody get now 5 down, now 5, 30, so we get $30 down 5. Oh, $30 down, 5 down, 5 down. When you get to about $35 though, I get 35 and $40. $40 down, 40 days, 5, $50. When you get 50, you're gonna go 55, 5. When you get $60, hit 60 down, 5 down, 60. When you get 75 for it, 85, bid, 1 bid, 100 for it. You know, 10, you get 10, you get 10, 110 for it. $100 down, 10, money here, 110. On the 110, get 10, 110 for it, 110 now, 10, 110, sir, one more time. 110 for 110 without spending 110 for warning. Gotta go 110, 110. Sold for $100. That number was again? 17. $100, 17.
Yeah.
Day in a while, somebody get $500 for it, $300 for it, somebody get $250 down, 75. Yeah, you're gonna go 50, 79, bid 1, bid a quarter with a half, hour with a half, and $75, get out 200. If you're gonna get 200 and a quarter with a half, though. 275. If you're gonna get 7 now, 2, we're gonna get 7 now, 3. Get 3, you're gonna get 33, you're gonna get 33, you got 85, don't you? 285, now 300. I'm at 33 now, 3 down, 10, you're gonna get 10, you're gonna get 10, we're gonna get 3, 10, 3 and a quarter. Oh, 3, 10, 3 and a quarter, 3, 10, 3 and a quarter, down 3, 70, high man, somebody get 3 and a quarter, down 39. 3 30 down 50, we're gonna go 50 now, 60, we're gonna go 50, we're gonna get 60 now, 360 now, I'm gonna get 50, we're gonna get 50, we're gonna get 60 now, 3 now, way back, so we're gonna get 360 all the time. Come on back in, sir, for $360 all the time. Oh, 350 to get 60 now, 75, you know, 85, 385 now, 385, good again, 385 all, I'm at 75 here, 85, 400, and 4 now, 410, and 410, you get 10, you get 10, you get 10, $410, I got $400 here now, 10, you get 10, you get 10, 410, what I think now, 410, you said $410, I went 4 now, 10, one more time, to go, 410, now, 10. Sold it. $400. Put it on buyer. Number 9. Number 9. $70 here, bid 5. You want to get 75 here? 70 here, bid 5. 70 one more time. Gonna go. $70, bid 5. Sold $70. Put them on buyer number. Chance look this one over good. I like $200 this year. That's just gonna get $200 for it. $100 for it. $25, $50. We get 50. They're gonna go 50. They're gonna go 50. Now 60. Now they're gonna get 60. They get $75 for it. You know, 85. 85 bid one. Bid one. $100. 85 bid one. 85. So $100 for it. Who wants to be 100? You know, 10. 10. 100 a quarter. 1 quarter. Now 71. $135. How about the 170? $150. $150. $150. We're talking 160. 150. We're gonna get 60 minutes. 75. Now 160. We're gonna get $75. I want to say you got just that stereo set put in the corner. $160. We're gonna get $7. We're gonna get $7. $85. $185. $185 gonna go. Other 170. $85. $85. $85. Who wants to get $185 for? Other 175. $85. $85. One more time. Dave's gonna go. $185. Nobody else want to get in? $185 for it. $175 here. $185 gonna go. $185. $185. $185. $185. So for $175. Ryan, that was again 17, but number 17.
So this is our 5th unit for today. 2 of them got taken out because of the right of redemption law. 2 units got paid off before the auction day. This is our 5th unit today. It's a 5x5. Everything's been kind of meh, and they're going for outrageous amounts of money because there's a lot of people here. They're paying way more than they should be, but that's the way it goes. We'll get a last shot of this last unit and see where the bidding goes, and see maybe.
I feel like this is somebody who did the auction. Especially having three.
Very good. Okay. So again, this unit, that one, wasn't the, so once it's sold down on the end there, it's the same guy. Big box here, somebody get here, $500, $300 and go. 3, 2, 18, and continue, 50 on $75. I'm with 1 1/4 with a half, and now half, $75, 200, 18, and get 2 and a half down, 3, down 3, now half, and now 3, half, 4, get 4, now half, and now 4, with 4 1/4, 4 and a half, 4 and a half, and now 4 and a half, and 4 and a half, $75, 4 and 75, 4 and 5, 500, I'm with 1, $500, get on quarter, 5, new man, 5 1/4 with a half, and now 75, 5 to now, 5 now, 5 to get 7 out, 5 and a half, $600, get on quarter, 6 1/4, get 6 down, quarter with a half, and now 6 $75, 675, get on 6 and get down half, to get 75, now 7, get $700, get a quarter, 7 now, get 7 1/4. I got 7 here, so I get 7 1/4 and walk on, 700 1/4. That's 7 1/4 now, so a lot of boxes to go through. Get 7 now, so you want to get 7 1/4 and walk on, 7 now, you want to get 7 1/4 for it. I got 7, so you want to get 7 1/4 now, you want to go now, I think your remote for your deal, mate. 7 1/4, 7 1/4. You want to get 7 1/4 for it, 700 1/4. I got 7, so you want to get 7 1/4 for it, 7 1/4. Sold it, 700. Put it on buyer. Number 9 bought it. Number 9 bid the buyer. Thanks, folks. That's it for today. Make sure you make settlement with Amy inside. If you need time to get it out, talk with Amy.
So you saw everything went for really high money. In fact, this last one was $700 with the. There's a lot of mystery in there, but there's a lot of expense to throw a lot of that stuff away. It just wasn't worth it today. So things didn't work out for us. So what we're going to do is we're going to go home, regroup, warm up, defrost our toes and our nose, and probably go on back on Storage Treasures and see if we can find something to pick up later this week, maybe for the weekend, and probably get some more things listed on eBay. So thanks for joining us today. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. 100 subscribers, and we're going to be giving away a very nice prize. Comment below if you like what you see here. Maybe we'll do some more of these videos. Maybe we'll do some unboxing from some Storage Treasure stuff that we get. Who knows what's going to happen next. Mash the notification button so you know each and every time Regular Guy Barbecue, or now today Regular Guy Storage Auctions, we'll be bringing you another video. Thanks for joining us, everybody.